Zol yena.
Thengisa.
Oh.
Thengisa thina lembolo.
Uthengisa bona
Lembolo. Smoking sessions at the are cheaper than therapy. Lo sisi wa relax after 20 minutes for free. Yaphela yung anxiety.
Yeah, we interview otherwise not interview nje guys.
Yembo ya swing.
Yilo mtshitha thina ungathe iqhawula lo we.
Nanso.
Like ikaka nje libele mina nami. Kwanaye lo sisi wama ngebele. Ewe kaloku mina nami. Maybe with
Fonini liyatsa. Licho.
Ngoba lichopa ngapha.
Rasta. Oh, i-black zamarasta ezi. Yeah.
There's a lot ehamba nje hamba.
Yeah, ngayeki apha.
Khayo. One, two, three, string. Kubo.
Next one, Nevas.
Hi guys, Mloeni.
Nevas, lo sisi Joe.
Lo sisi simnika iskipha sika how about Paul. Like ikujeni yonke like yoko sisi like proof otherwise. Mloeni yabo. The tie is obvious. Suspenso.
Pinza, to be exact.
Pinza. But I feel like a pinzo kubo. Kubo. Enhle ke yabo. Lo sister no yanamhlanje ifanana. Yabo. Divuke ku-outeni yabo. So,
Similo you can't coffee mistake.
Mistake. Okay. Divuke ku-outeni. Ndiyafika umjita. Uyabhakisha.
Kunini kulindile.
For i-road trip yaseKapa namhlanje nje siya ekhaya.
Kunini kulindile.
So lo mjita ndiyafika uthi kumbana kusisi ozayo ndiyazi uzoshuta okanye uzithu.
Ufika 6:30.
Kanimbuze uphuma phi?
Mna? Angivelo awuta Joe.
Awuta.
Sihoya enye. Sube uzidla
Uthi lo mjita uvuka khomabela 18. Sikumlomo.
18 Joe like lo mnana lona bendikuye yabo. Hlala ne-lesbians.
Yo.
Yabo. As lesbians like kugcwele erumini, kugcwele efrandi, like ikaka nje libele mina nami. Kwanaye lo sisi wama ngebele. Ewe kaloku mina nami. So ndikhileke ebeleni apha yabo. Ndiphakama ndethoilet nsithetho bone ngomkhe man. Kwenzeka none apha. Lelela unasefrandi mosapho. So ndifuna ucheck i-coast.
Yeah.
Naked woman.
No. I can imagine. I would be scared.
When?
Seeing men naked.
Oh, are you? I got must send 18.
And we should try ngeke. Sizotsiba. Guys, sisi Soweto Tower.
Oh yeah, libe nokusho sise Soweto Towers guys yabo. So lo sisi ufike ukuthi besabasale uya lo sister ufikile yabo. Angel otherwise ngelosi like andiyazi zothi intoni la andiyazi intoni uyintoni. Uyintoni Angel but wafika sasa wafika wa Ox qala yabo sa lost door yabo.
Yeah.
Thina lo muntu.
Balo.
Uzothatha iskipper.
Like uzothatha iskip, okay, kwenzeka. And then ndibheke ngoku ne-terms ezishushu ngoba guys man, how about utyeni breakfast?
Were you guys scared?
Serious,
Skeptical.
bro.
Why? What would breakfast?
Asiyazi uba ithini tender yakho, that's the thing.
Okay, you didn't know my intentions by saying you guys can have
Imagine
breakfast.
masile Soweto.
What the fuck?
Ekasi.
Yeah, because you guys have a vibe, you know, you have that Soweto vibe.
I know, sine-Soweto vibe, kwathini, but sisasikwazi. Uthi gqike ngoku, neno upholile, into yenza oxy leba, upholile, no guys, makuthi, like,
Let me tell you guys why I did that. It's because we met on a day when I was going to an interview for Upelma, the Viga clinic, and you guys made me and my nerves calm down.
it's a must.
We had a blast, we laughed, and you made me just comfortable. And by the time I went into the interview room, I was just laughing with the interview.
Otherwise, smoking sessions are cheaper than therapy.
Guys, hola, utshaya izolo.
Cheaper than therapy.
Kodwa akatshaya ngazolo yena.
Thengisa.
Oh.
Thengisa thina nembolo.
Okay, thengisa bona.
Nembolo.
Uthini ke rhoqo?
Smoking sessions are cheaper than therapy. Lo sisi wa relax after 20 minutes for free. Yaphela yung anxiety.
Yeah, kwi-interview, otherwise not interview nje guys, like sister lo sihleli naye yabo.
Hlane balloon.
Mhlane paloni.
Weak
Okay.
points.
Paloni like ngumuntu otshayiweyo. Ngoba lo mfana akanamqolo, awuyazi thina yakhe. Like uyakudala umzamo, like umfakelele noba mhlawumbe but ayisibani tender yakhe. Paloni ke.
Balloon weak. Yo. Dick Prince.
Okay.
Zozibambe izithenda zonke izithembu
Hayi
zonke.
mama lithetha ndimame.
Uzawudabuka sewusitsho kubhebi wakho ngenye imini uyibhaloni ke.
Why you act with balloon?
Nanko
Uzawujamba.
Hey guys.
It's about to go down right here, Sharp Posey.
Ngobeki babuyele.
inema semba lo.
Ufike wachoka phansi wascreama.
Yeah.
You khange niyiqonde bayinje.
Andifuna ukuxoka guys, like jola iya wave nje. Why ithi lo mjita le
Moya, ayinguye, ngumoya.
Yabona bayayithonsa ngoku.
Sibuze sifuba singenapha.
But the whole reason for the shoot is that you guys showed me how about Ndipole.
Yes.
How about Ndipole?
so
You know,
like siswami.
without being high or being in therapy, nobody needs to smoke.
But uhlala namashita u relax.
Yes, ndibe calm. Amajita endingawaziyo kanti endingawaziyo from Cape Town.
Asikwazi nathi jo.
Andazi namandazi, but you know, I feel like we've got mutual respect for each other. We respect each other as human beings, and that's important.
Ngiphenikise ngimzotsela.
Sabawula umbolo la wethu.
Yo, nakusaba kangaka. Hayi akakazojampa lo mntu. Ndiyanixelela. Ndiyayazi laa nto mna. Ubona iSoweto yonke from this point of view, like the whole Soweto.
For sure, like ndiyabawela like
Yo, you think,
Not today.
why not today?
I've been mentally prepared for this day.
Why don't you go up there and just see the view?
Even that, you. Yabona le way yabo iyanyuka nengala lift. And then it is zoo. That's zoo. I would piss myself. Now go.
the fuck?
Hey.
The fuck?
Instrument on 4. moya swing.
Yilo mchithatheni ungathi iqhawula le way.
Nanso. Kaloku ilusinisha kusifika manje slow shut down.
Lizuzu yani.
Yebo usephezulu bra. Kuba.
Do you know what I did when I jumped? Wow! I had to sing a song that comforted me, and it's not a famous song.
Guys, next time we'll be out in Xiaomi, but not now.
You are going to do it. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll do another session
Yeah.
with me. When you come back,
Oh,
we are all jumping.
Siselahla sozo.
Do you know ukuthi nandathini ndacula ingoma ethi
So we call it 10 minutes again.
yo
Just please reset.
constant surprises coming my way. Some call it coincidence, but I like to call it fate. Did you hear that? Constant surprises coming my way. Some call it coincidence, but I like to call it fate. Those constant surprises, they come my way. Some call it coincidence, but I call it fate. It's a song. It comforts me. And
Personal message.
I was like, that's the song that came to my mind. I was so scared. I didn't know who to call, what to do. I didn't want to scream. I just sang.
Scream and mna. Hell yeah.
There was a guy who's I was like, oh, this guy, men don't usually do this. Men,
Do you understand falling? Falling.
falling in love.
The term falling in a straight line. Guy. Uyamubuso. Face first.
Uvila mna ngifika phaya. Wathi nobe izindawo zakhe clean up.
Ngokusiwe isiphakathi zakho.
Uzayenza njani sele ibhiya lekaka?
But I'd rather than insango. Ay man ngachayi tuke, man ngancazela. Man ngachayi izolo, but never go up there.
Who's it?
It's overthink.
Never say never.
No, I would, but not like high. Once I get up there and bony view, I'm like, okay, thanks, nice view, guys, bye. No, nice view, guys, bye.
I'm saying.
Because nanza benalana ba, what if I'm khawukile now? What if kultua no, it only happens like 0.011. What if name last 0.01? But once in Celibia,
Are we moving to negative?
once in Celibia, must say you win. It's fine, man, you win.
No.
About 50%, man, you win.
I want you guys to be positive when you come back here.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. 100%. Always
No,
deny
I'm
negativity.
surprising you guys.
Surprise, Nacho.
Flat ajeka kodwa. Nzula's flat. Ajeka nyani. Because flat so kupini chu. Yabo la chu lo ufaka kuyo mthondo. Simbozo jongle man life negayita.
Some joke.
Like ufika udibanise lewe uthi tsu. Because as go around like yes, but it's not dimension.
That's uring kule way uthethayo like amangamla andiwajongeli kule way like as a way like andiyazi bra like andibinayo lelo nsithi ndifuna uyijonga ngoku ndibe nepicture yale way
Apha kukwangamla.
so ndifuna uqala
Se
ngoku
Mount Caucasus.
ndifuna uyitesta ngoku lo
Uthi maki ndiyo bright.
utitshala
Ile way because flat ne but like incline number 25%. So like kobona mase dark. Okay. Yeah, yena lo. Yayibona lana?
awubuya amasinga
Kasancancazelo. Uyika nyalo mbaka. Kame brand thathi camera zomnandi.
Are you fainting?
Fendi
Oh,
Ikayithetha iphezulu le nto.
Feta iphezulu le kaka la we.
Yo.
Simposile ngathi by 3 abantwana. By 3 lo start sambamba.
Manje ukwazi distance.
Ay fundit.
Athi beniyaphi?
Beniyaphi ya kuye luzobetha wo.
Lo manje ukwazi distance ngene manje ngakamele le kaka.
Fuck. Dipalone ne?
No.
Debu's man dipalone.
I feel like dipalone.
No.
Jambo shine we zalolwa.
Is there another take?
No, it was the same one. I was just looking up. No, it's fine. It's okay. Kabin financial one is like the distance.
Skip us like you're taking Springbok.
Hey, boy, man, you see where the money is? Because when you're thinking, man, there's few people here, but how much are those few people spending?
Now, pande walongo le. Yazi timing yebana bamnyama sonala weka lesina sena la ntsokolo ba. Amabulu ayethe phone sifuna imali. Susala tenants timing in
Customize.
and ngobana bazana ntombono. Basuka apha abantu. Ezikhathi ezizana corona, uzishayeweyo.
Odwa bona ni time eyodwa odisrespect.
Izigulu ezi-ox. Ababalo apha.
And yazi nyanya suke
Exactly, bra.
Because ifike like the first noon wayemshadweni la mjita wa spread COVID too. Imagine spread COVID to country, bra. Imagine ubulala country. Nxa yomshado.
I feel like nje amuka ke kwakho khona movie nake ndayibukele yethethelelo hlobo ba. Lately yabona ngoku akusobulala abantu ngebomb z destroy anenona lona. Saqa ngoku same time disease.
Yeah.
And before you know abantu bayishare.
Bawubona bayi like umzekile plate yakho I full meal. Fike nje jebi plate yakho, the plate itself made in China. Yayibona rice imported from Taiwan. Chicken suke America. Ithanga lenzwe eBoxburg. Yayibona no but labe plate yakho. Yonke lando. Yayibona ujonge nempahla enxibileyo bra. Suka from everywhere is a junk tag bra made in Canada iskipa and then yayoprintwa I legend lena ivule ingali zenza Superman
yes
Dijan mangalili
ufuna ukuba
You mustn't tell yourself ukuthi
yo
whiskey oh obvious kalonga patch shot nejan say wina nje
he didn't fall, he flew.
Kuba he flew down.
Yeah. He flew down.
Bano mount camera so yabona ngicela izilika
mountain ba
apha kulicala le way
They hold
nje
you.
sehla kule way ngari ya fly yes my shot and swim
abra yikaka kodwa foreign le
That's nice.
lewe ay fite ibawela bandadlalelwa yiyo shema ndifungcoka la we
Why?
ndinobupalo nana ngayo
No, when you fly, you change your mind.
no I know balesi ndinobupalo
balona bazonyuka uchinja ingqondo bangabe wayisixesha lapha
yayiva lo we bra awusicela amasimba
I
we
know that's gonna
hayi awusicela amasimba
bana
wena
unesathadelo
yo senza week enhle
katsayile ichalo wile juke kabe ngeke yeah I break take go
ela amasimba
joke ukuchalo kula edge like ngiyikayo ngathi ndarola so abayo way back yo
that would be hectic.
exactly and isamende lena hayi so you uzafunga kafika phansi
You guys.
Falini khona la we
uzakhala dead
khona lena aliyale ayijala like ibu slingy so yabo so like bu-towers like nayo le way and then ngoku uyabona la ndawo uba kuyobona la iyahliswa la ndawo falo ngerekende ezishushu
so to be new
and then izothwa phezantsi so idutyulwa phezantsi
so leyo nyuku uphinda ugama kanye leyo nyuku emanzini
uyanyuka mnanam kaloku uhleli kula way ukuyo laa nto like isitulo so botshelelwe kuyo and then la uyidobula like nje buhleli like uyanyuka ezi towers like ngolwazi
vala leyo khona lesimila mamela simila ne slingshot so uyetshona emanzini lo
bona
I
zamanzi
wouldn't do that.
no kaloku abantu bakulindeleyo pha ezantsi kaloku abantu bakulindeleyo
so
abaskrini abaduni
dangerous
badefta
No, maybe you know, screams from the inside. How am I going?
nsunuka paluta
record
dala
otherwise like 2 seconds kaloku abantu bangathi
bona lo sister lo bekho amazi sister face sister ngathi nyamazi
kani mbone ncam
amazi
hayi
awazi ngene nobuso
I was weighing the camera
namfanisile otherwise
rent
ngakulinguwe
zawa
Is that was like 2 shots?
oh why kaloku ngathi what tense
why are you waving flag
what's a stiff shot what's a stiff shot baby wait
fonini liyaza licho
kubalchopa ngapha
amarasta flex amarasta yeah
there's a lot yamba nje yamba
ngayeki apha
khayo
sifika nibujonge ndoni
buze for
It's a shop.
Fakela ni bathi you sell weed
no like
don't
nje
worry,
uthani
alright.
uthi ninokisile cha thina madam Phinzo guys yazi hapa sifundisa lo sisi hapa uphola yabo lo sisi yena usise ekupholeni but akakwazi uphola
Yeah, true.
ayenzi sense lo way kum yabo so no sicacisa because benthe yeke because zoza ngepast girlfriend asikho past
Yeah.
siyaflow ngo girlfriend nje
Ubonile ukuthi ukhale ngathi uyafa. Yo, nam.
bona kodwa imbundu ibanjani
Hayibo. Umuntu kaneyo. Umuntu kaneyo wangimboni. Njani baba?
igama lalomjita layichaza die hard
uzangu somkhakhabuza die hard okay
Uyaphi manje? Uyaphi? Kulorent. Not low. Low. Ngiyacela.
amagama lapha ox namagama lapha famous
kuyaziwana apha eSoweto
I've come here to chill so many times.
community
Ndizama uphola.
ndithi kulo sisi kuyebo phofu ndijonge ngokwebahlaleni ba lo sisi usizise ekupholeni but yena akakwazi ukuphola
mhlawumbe besidinga yena
uyasidenose itherapy yakhe ukuzoshisa sheka like ubona la one night stand shushu nyani kumba
I don't know
yabona
about you understand.
khona bezibambile yazi ngcono ibalibalise lani ngixele yona
Hey, B.
lebunixelele yona
zalayo
Don't because I feel like it's part of a story because I said the same thing exactly the same thing story why okay too much you might like it more than you think. Hey,